When setting up your system, you'll need to create your chart of accounts. CXR divides these into main accounts and accounts. Main accounts are meant for grouping accounts such as cash, banks, operating expenses, etc. In this video, we'll go over how to add a main account. For each main account you create, you'll need to enter the account code, name, and type. This one we'll create will be called operating expenses. Account types to choose from are divided into assets, liabilities, equities, revenues, and expenses. You can optionally add a description and save. Add as many main accounts as your business needs. Some main accounts, such as cash and foreign currencies, are created by default. Examples of main accounts you'd create for your business are operating expenses, bank accounts, shareholder loan, adjustments, etc. Let's add another main account. Once you've added your main accounts, you'll see them all displayed here, where you can see what filters you added, and you can delete or edit them if necessary, as well as export to CSV or PDF.